Start.
Yes. Yes. Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. It's well said that time flies so fast. Just कल की बात है. Obviously,
Your voice is not clear.
yes, ma'am.
Check your connection first.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible now, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It's well said that time flies so fast. Just seems like कल की ही तो बात है. Obviously, we cannot control time, but we can let the time fly and become our own navigator.
A very good morning, respected ma'am, sir, and everyone. I, Dr. Prajakta, along with Dr. Vinay, welcome you here to give a bit farewell to honor such a distinguished teacher whose role has been so accountable and creditable for so many years of service and reverence to such a great institution.
It's my privilege to welcome you all to bid adieu to such a distinguished personality who deserves every word of appreciation, our very own Dr. Manjusha Pradhan ma'am.
Dr. Manjusha Pradhan ma'am had completed her graduation in dental surgery from Government Dental College and Hospital, Nagpur in 1981. Ma'am has joined our prestigious institution, BSPM DCRC, in the year 1995 and has teaching experience of more than 25 years and clinical experience of 39 years.
In her journey, she has achieved various milestones from winning awards in paper poster presentations to judging scientific sessions as a chairperson in various events, working as a practical coordinator for MUHS, PG, and UG examinations of her department. She also holds a research grant from MUHS. From planning to execution of various background responsibilities in celebration of festivals and rituals of her department. Her contribution in managing the departmental library and expenditure accounts is formidable.
Besides academics, she has multifarious achievements on her name from winning Rangoli, singing, slogan competition to participating in walkathon, tree plantation events, and the list goes on.
It is not easy to teach generation after generation and help students to become a better version of themselves. But teachers like you ace this tough job and ultimately reach that locus of the journey where you have to pull back and rest.
Indeed, this is a bittersweet moment for all of us. Retirement can be considered as a destination or the pot at the end of the rainbow, but at the same time, it's the opportunity to spend time on things one loves.
Amidst the plethora of emotions, I would like to take the moment to acknowledge all that you have bestowed us.
And on behalf of all the VSPM Endo family members, we wish you farewell, ma'am, and proceed with the event.
Thank you.
Now, I request Dr. Pratima Shinoy, ma'am, the head of the department, to address the occasion.
Good morning, everyone. It is a very, I can say, a difficult day for us today. We are happy that Madam has got the opportunity to be in the college till the end in such a graceful manner. At the same time, we are slightly sad also that we will not be having her daily with us to guide us and add cheer to the department. So my farewell address is difficult for me to give, but it's a responsibility as the head of the department to do it. So I just want to say a few words of her journey. So many of you are not aware that my association with Pradhan Madam is probably one of the oldest and the longest in the college. I distinctly recall the early days I had joined the Department of Dentistry in the Birdie Lata Mangeshkar College or hospital that time, both. I was just 27 with a 10-month-old baby. And like any other young mother on her first job, I was confused, scared, and full of guilt of leaving my child at home. I am reminded of how I left home with tears in my eyes and hope in my heart. And there I met this amazing lady, Pradhan Madam. In her smiling face and quiet confidence, I found a mentor forever. From that day onwards, I think I have learned a lot from her. I have always believed, and it is the people around you who shape your destiny. Madam has been a very big influence on me, being a woman I am today. She instilled in me the confidence of what a woman can be and can achieve. In her passion of cooking, I got interested in cooking, and even to this day, we share recipes. Her dedication to her professional work made me strive for excellence. Her commitment and dedication to the family taught me family values I cherish. But this doesn't make me a complete woman. That is what she always told me and inspired me for. She inspired me to take care of myself both physically and emotionally. All of us will remember and recall that we have never seen Madam not dressed properly for the occasion. Whether it is a formal function or a festival or a picnic, Madam is always dressed up to the mark, and she is happily taking part in everything that happens in and around her. She takes care to live up to the occasion. She has dedicated herself to both physical and spiritual fitness. And we know of very few occasions in the college that she is reported that she is unwell and cannot attend any function or the daily college responsibility. So this is all she taught me by being herself, that for you to be a complete woman, you have to do all these things and be happy. She has been one of the strongest pillar of the department. I can well understand the predicament of working under a junior colleague. I was much junior to her, so much junior. It must have been really difficult for her to accept the things, but I tell you, she never showed it. She never believed in complaining and adjusted to the facts and added value to her professional portfolio. I have not known any person of like who would attend everything, the national conferences, research work, publishing papers, or getting grants from MUHs all on her own. And that really inspired me because, there are some people who will sit and complain, oh, this happened, oh, that happened, I won't do this, I won't do that. You would never see Madam do it. She has taken help from the student, the very people whom she has taught, the very people whom she has held their hand and asked them to do a cavity preparation. But she never felt that she cannot ask for help in research or publishing paper from them. That is the greatness of this lady. And for that, she has carved a very special place in the heart of the student. She is a very dedicated and a meticulous teacher we were all blessed to have. Another thing is that Madam always believed in living a life king size or queen size. She's been a part of all extracurricular activity conducted over the years in the department or in the college and won many prizes in it. I'm telling you, if you look at her, then you feel inspired to really become a person who is complete. Why should you restrict yourself for academic excellence and not do something good in extracurricular activity? Whether it is cooking, singing, painting, rangoli, whatever it was, she was always ahead of every one of us, unmindful of the age gap, unmindful of anything else, only living her life like a queen. And we really appreciate that, Madam. because you don't even realize how many people you inspired by doing these things. You are all in all a complete woman who raised beautiful daughters just as special as her, who in their home are shining example of love, compassion, and beauty, as well as professional excellence. As a mother, I can wholeheartedly acknowledge your accomplishment and understand how good you must be feeling at heart to achieve this thing in life. Personally, for me, you have been that one person who has attended my son's first birthday, who has attended the inauguration of my clinic, and celebrated each life event with me. Though we are not seen conversing for hours or exchanging notes, we share a very special bond that's so unique to womanhood. Sharing each other's joy, standing beside each other when in pain, or giving unconditional support in crisis. I know we have done it all, and we have done it silently. That's the greatness of our relationship. For the department, madam, you are that pillar which take care of all the backhand activities, which actually defines the department. When I meet my colleagues who have visited our department as examiners, inspectors, speakers for various CDE or any other functions that we have held over the years, they always mention the hospitality part of it because they feel so at home, they feel so loved, so looked after. And that is how efficiently the menu, the food is taken care of. The dry fruits or the soft drinks or coffee or how to balance the menu, everything you took care of. I really didn't even have to get up from my chamber and see whether everything is being done properly or not. And while you were doing it and while you were managing all these things, you have impressed so many young minds. All the young girls who have left our department and are married now and looking after their home, I'm sure they recall all the things they have learned from you and they try to implement in their house to make it their house more complete home. Madam, you were in charge of the library for as long as I can remember. Till
Yeah.
date, we haven't had any issues there. You were the custodian of the little cash we had in the department. I don't recall any moment when any payment was delayed or not meticulously documented. After every program, within 1 hour, we had paid for the caterer, we had paid for the decoration, everything was done and documented. It required humongous dedication on the part of the person who's looking after it, and your commitment, I cannot put it in words. I'm really indebted for you for looking after the department so well. In your long tenure, you have seen many staffs come and go, but I tell you, all of you, that she stood steadfast in her belief that commitment to one place is often the ladder for satisfaction. All ex-staff members or students fondly remember her and recollect time spent here because of the memories she helped us create, like the Diwali celebration, the Dashera celebration, the Haldi Kumku, the Kervans we had, the farewells we had, so many things. How can anyone ever forget that there was one person behind it and she was Pradhan Madam? I just had to tell her that Madam Diwali hai, we had to do this function and it was done. We did not miss out on any single thing. And that is why I tell you that department has remained so happy place for everyone to be around. And it gives, it gives a family kind of feeling, a home away from home. Since I always believe that we spend major part of our life in the college, it should be comfortable for everyone. But there have to be people who are committed to making this place feel like home. And Madam is one of them. To all the younger staff or the younger students that are there, I tell you, if you want to learn anything, learn these things because this defines your life and this is how you will always be remembered. Publications, research work and all, they are very important for your academic life. But academic life doesn't define you at all. It is the things you do as a person, as a whole, that is what makes an impact for everyone. And that is why today we are feeling the loss that she won't be with us to guide us. She's been that elder in the house who had wiped our tears, who has laughed with us, who has given us confidence, who has given us courage, who has helped us to make a happy place. In spite of being a very successful practitioner for 20 years or more, she is still sought after by her patients for the good care she has offered to them. That also speaks volume of her clinical excellence. Madam, you will be retiring today. It's not the end, it is the beginning of another phase of life. You have already very gracefully changed your role and achieved everything you wanted to. As the head of the department and on behalf of this whole department, I wish you all goodness, health, abundance, and happiness. The legacy you leave behind will always inspire us to do our best in everything. And I hope it inspires the younger people who feel pride in achieving things or creating uh, rather not incompetence, or making it more difficult to be in the department, or gossiping about things. They should realize that Madam is one person who has never gossiped about anyone. Never ever. She has never come to me or told about anyone. Whatever her pains, whatever difficulties she has never ever come and backbited about any single person in the department in 25 years. And that is a big thing. Neither she has ever gone out of the department and backbited about the department or the problems. So that is how strong a person you have to be. And that is why, Madam, no one can ever fill your place. I'm really, really, really thankful to God for giving me this opportunity to work with you and have you as a mentor in my life. I'll miss you terribly, ma'am. I really will miss you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words.
A warm welcome to the guest for today's ceremony, Dr. Amruta Tamhane ma'am, elder daughter of Pradhan ma'am, along with Mr. Nilesh Tamhane sir. Also, Mrs. Shalakha ma'am, along with Mr. Naveen Vyas sir.
Hello, Amruta, Shalaka. So nice of you to join in.
Hi.
Hi.
This is a great surprise for me, huh?
Yes.
At least something special.
Yeah. Very,
The
very
big day
special.
for
Thank you
her.
very
We
much.
had to be here.
Thank you so much.
Also, I would like to welcome Mr. Shirish Pradhan sir, beloved husband of Pradhan ma'am.
Unmute. Right.
Hello, sir. Nice to
Hello, Namaskar.
see you.
Journey are not remembered for mileage, they are remembered for moments. Here we present a small glimpse of Pradhan ma'am's journey.
हो रहे तुमसे हम जुदा ले चले सारे गम तेरे खुश रहे यारा तू सदा आए हो आओगे फोन पे बुलाओगे शाम की करारी चाय लबों से यूं पिलाओगे ना आए हो ना आओगे ना दिन ढले सताओगे ना रात की नशीली बारिश नींद गाओगे दूर जाके भी मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना खुले है जो पल कहेगी नजर लगता है अब है जाके हम फिक्र जो थी पीछे रह गए निकले उनसे आगे हम हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी ओ हो अब तो जो भी हो सो हो अच्छा चलता हूँ दुआओं में याद रखना मेरे जिक्र का सुबह पे सुबात रखना दिल के संदूकों में मेरे अच्छे काम रखना चिट्ठी तारों पे भी मेरा तू सलाम रखना तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे तुम इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हमको मिले है आज ये घड़ियाँ नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर किधर
All are getting emotional a little bit. Huh?
Ma'am,
God, really.
We hope you liked it, ma'am. Now I request Dr. Rajesh Kubde sir to share some words on this occasion.
Good morning, Pradhan ma'am.
Good morning, Rajesh.
A very emotional day, I would say, ma'am.
Yeah,
You are the senior most
true.
faculty, I would say, senior most faculty of the department and the institute. Ever since I have joined, it's been 13 long years now that I am with you. And what I found out about you is you are really a soft-spoken and very soft-nature person. So whenever I used to come to you for any problem, you help me out in it. And then various topics we used to discuss, ma'am, apart from academics, like investing, especially in reality and all. I still remember all those things. Then we used to decide the menu, then collectively going to Shena ma'am for her inputs and finalizing the things. So these small things I still remember. The one department that, apart from academic, that you always took care of is the food department in the department, and the critical evaluation of the menu, then the perfect execution till the time it has been delivered to the participant on the day. So that is amazing, ma'am. Many faculty and PGs have been trained in this skill under you, and I hope it must be helping them out in their personal life today also. One more boost I think you have given to the department is the introduction of Priti. She is a mainstay of a food department nowadays in our department. Ma'am, every small or big function. So many of us faculty have introduced it to our personal life also, personal home food also, especially Mohit, Varsha ma'am and me ma'am you have introduced. So I wish you all the health and all the success in whatever the tasks are there for you in pipeline. I must say that they must be there in pipeline. So I wish you all.
that log out हो गया शायद.
हाँ, held up. Thank you, Rajesh. It is held up a little bit. I think some problem.
Thank you so much, sir.
The best thing in life are the people we love, places we have been, and the memories we have made along the way. I present before you video messages from our alumni, seniors, and students.
अरे बाप रे,
Certainly
the big preparation.
Hi everyone. It's been so long and I really miss our department. And about Pradhan ma'am, yes, I have lots of memories, but the one which is very close to me is that she always used to be such a helping hand in each and everything, and she was like a silent elderly person, you know, who used to guide me, especially when there used to be this functions in our department and any conference from our department. We used to decide the menu, like whatever we have to order in food, and she was the one who always had so many ideas and creativity with her. So this is how, you know, I really remember all these things, and I wish her all the very best, and definitely the department is gonna miss her and her presence. So I wish you, ma'am, all the very best for your future, and be safe, take care.
Thank you, Ilakshi.
Hello everyone. Congratulations Pradhan ma'am.
Oh, thank you,
अपने
Swapnil.
डिपार्टमेंट के लिए किसी के लिए भी कुछ बोलना हो तो आई एम लाइक कि मैं एक पूरा का पूरा पेज लिख सकती हूँ, सब इतने अच्छे हैं. लेकिन प्रधान मैम के लिए मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि शी इज़ मतलब शी इज़ अ वेरी गुड टीचर एज वेल एज इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर. हमारे यहाँ जितने फंक्शंस होते थे, जितने फंक्शंस, एग्जाम्स, किसी का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन, सबका इवेंट मैनेजमेंट मैडम करती थी. एंड जब हम बहुत सारा काम कर लिए होते थे, बहुत थक जाते थे, तो उसके बाद जो बेस्ट पार्ट होता है किसी भी इवेंट का, वो होता है फूड. जो केटरर्स ना अन्ना के उपमा से लेके जो केटरर्स के मसाला भात तक और हल्दीराम्स की अच्छी मिठाइयों तक सारा अरेंजमेंट मैम करवाती थी. तो मुझे मैडम का नाम आता है तो मुझे तो अच्छा खाना याद आता है. थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर गिविंग अस सो मच वंडरफुल मेमोरीज. और आपको बहुत शुभकामनाएं. 25 साल आपने कंप्लीट किए हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है. एंड मैम आगे के लिए आपको बहुत सारे बेस्ट विशेस. आपकी आगे की भी जर्नी घर में आराम करते हुए बहुत अच्छे से निकलेगी. थैंक यू सो मच मैम. बाय.
Bye. Thank you, Swapnil. Thank you very much.
Hi. Hello ma'am. Hearty congratulations on your
Hello. Thank you, Pooja.
तरी तुमचे व्यक्तिमत्व, तुमचा उत्साह, तुमची शिकवण,
volume check करें.
सगळ्या गोष्टी आम्हाला पुढे जाण्यासाठी राहतीलच. तुम्ही आमचे प्रेरणास्थान होता, आहात आणि पुढे सुद्धा राहाल. तुम्हाला मिळालेल्या या स्वातंत्र्याचा मस्त आनंद घ्या आणि तुम्हाला त्यातून बरंच काही मिळवा हीच शुभेच्छा. हॅव अ हॅपी वंडरफुल सेकंड इनिंग्स मॅम. थँक्यू.
Thank you.
Hi everyone. Yeah, on account of this farewell, मी एक
Volume
कविता प्रस्तुत करू इच्छिते. मी स्वतः लिहिलेली नाही आहे, पण कधीतरी कुठेतरी वाचण्यात आली होती, खूप आवडली होती. म्हणून 2 मिनिटं वेळ घेते, तुमचा जास्त नाही घेणार. तर कविता अशी आहे की, वाटा वेगळ्या नाही होत आहेत या, बस हे आयुष्य थोड्या वेगळ्या वळणाने जात आहे. निवृत्ती म्हणजे प्रवासाचा शेवट नसतोच मुळी, आपल्यासोबत बऱ्याच अनुभवांची गाठ आहे. निवृत्ती म्हणजे पोचपावती आपल्या कामाची, चोख कामगिरी बजावल्याची. निवृत्ती म्हणजे एखादा मैलाचा दगड. निवृत्ती म्हणजे एक खूण आपण अमुक जागी पोहोचल्याची. निवृत्ती म्हणजे एक सुखद थांबा जुन्या साथीदारांच्या आठवणीत रमण्याचा. निवृत्ती म्हणजे एक मोका शांत निवांत आयुष्य मागे वळून बघण्याचा. थोडंसं कॅलेंडर बदलेल इथून आता पुढे, आपल्यासाठी सगळेच दिवस रविवार असतील इथून पुढे. आता मस्त टेन्शन फ्री जगायचं, आपल्याला जे आवडतं त्यात मन रमवायचं. गायन, वाचन, भटकंती, आपल्या तब्येतीला परवडेल ते सगळं करायचं. आयुष्याची सेकंड इनिंग सुरू झाली आहे. स्कोरसाठी नाही, आनंदासाठी खेळायचं. स्कोरसाठी नाही, आनंदासाठी खेळायचं. थँक्यू.
Congratulations, Pradhan ma'am, for such
Thank
a
you,
big
Nomali.
milestone in your life.
Thank you.
Wish you happy, healthy, and long retirement and fun ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Nomali.
There's no point of educating the mind if we can't educate the heart. And no other words could really make a better match to Pradhan ma'am, because she really did strike a chord with our hearts by having those sessions that we had with her, heart to heart, and she was always there for us to just have a nice talk to. And otherwise,
What happened?
she had the warmest smile in the department, and to wish her in the morning first thing was to really brighten our days. So have a nice, happy farewell, ma'am. We really miss you.
Thank you, Purvi.
Hi everyone. It has been almost 8 years since I'm associated with this college, being both a UG as well as a PG student. I remember Pradhan ma'am as a very kind and helpful teacher who has always been for her students. I remember ma'am as a very motherly figure in our PG days. You will be dearly missed, ma'am. I wish you all the best for your retirement plan. Thank you.
Thank you, Shreya.
Hello everyone. I have known Pradhan ma'am since 2016 as I was a UG student in the same college. She has been a pillar of this department. She has been a very helpful teacher. I have a very special connection with ma'am as I was a library in charge in the department, and she is so organized and she had handled it so perfectly. Thank you so much, ma'am. We are going to miss you. Happy and healthy retirement.
Thank you, Anushree.
Also, I would like to add a message which we received from Dr. Ameya sir. I will read it out on his behalf. Pradhan ma'am, with a heavy heart, we bid you farewell. One of the first staff I met in the staff room on my first nervous day at VSPM. She easily calmed me down and made me feel at home. The tenacity with which she pursued things was adorable, with the pleasantly flavored hypochlorite study being the most highlighted. Throughout the journey of countless ups and downs, she was always right there to induce a positive vibe and assure this too shall pass. Your incredible support for all of us will always be cherished, and you will be dearly missed at the department. Enjoy your new phase of life and keep spreading happiness like you have always been doing. Best wishes for future, ma'am.
Convey my best wishes to him also.
Now I request Dr. Varsha Uttarwar ma'am to share her words on this occasion.
Morning, everyone.
Morning, Varsha.
Pradhan ma'am, we have had a long association from the year 2000 or so. And looking back now, we have always worked as a great team in all the departmental and cultural activities. Madam, do you remember the first fashion show in which we had participated?
Yeah.
We had enjoyed it.
Yeah, very well.
Yeah, we really had enjoyed it. Every moment of it we had enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Madam, your meticulous planning to the last minute detail never failed to amaze me. I always drew inspiration from you. And I think if I can inculcate even a part of it, it will be a great deal in life. So you've always been inspiring in us.
It is disturbed, Varsha, a little bit
College,
disturbed.
discussing all my problems. Okay. Can you hear me now? Is it better? Yes,
No.
ma'am.
Yeah. Now it is better.
Huh? Can you hear me now, ma'am?
Yes, yes. You're
Huh.
audible now. Varsha.
Yeah. Yeah.
Again,
Uh, I'm discussing all my views my burden drastically. And I think the thing which helped me to go on in life, to face all the ups and downs in life. Thank you, ma'am, for always being there for me, to support me, to guide me through all the all situations in life, which as a dear friend, I could come here and discuss it out with you. That's helped me a great deal, ma'am. So you, uh, and of course, not to forget all the mouth-watering dishes that you'll be treating us to right from the beginning, especially when Amrita and Shalata were here. First thing
Yeah.
for us in college, without fail, is all the cakes and all the desserts. Like uh, and used to get them to college. So these are wonderful memories which we are always going to cherish. Okay, ma'am. We are really going to miss you. And I, in particular, I'm going to miss your able guidance. But I know you are going to have plenty of time to follow all your passions, hobbies, and desires. Since you had a very hectic schedule with college and clinic and home responsibilities, which you have managed beautifully. I remember in the early days, like we all were struggling to maintain a work-life balance. And looking at you, we just saw how you made it look so easy. And we were sure, कि looking at you, if we kept our priorities straight, even we will be able to achieve it. Thank you once again for guiding us, ma'am, and wishing you a happy, peaceful, and a safe retired life to pursue all your passions, which I know you have plenty still. Okay. And once again, hats off to a dynamic lady who has proven herself time and again. Thank you, ma'am. We are going to miss you dearly. Take care, be healthy, be happy.
Thank you, Varsha. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. I apologize for the technical glitch. We are working on it. Now I request Dr. Gautam Bodole sir to share his words on this occasion.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Pradhan madam.
गुड मॉर्निंग गौतम. पुष्कळ दिवसांनी पाहते आहे हा.
हो मॅडम.
हा.
मी जेव्हा जॉईन केलं आता 10 वर्ष मॅडम सोबत काम केलंय आणि मॅडम सोबत राहून बऱ्याच गोष्टी शिकायला मिळाल्या. जेव्हा नवीन नवीन जॉईन झालो तेव्हा क्लासेस कसे घ्यायचे, स्टुडंटचा रेकॉर्ड कसा मेंटेन ठेवायचा, या सगळ्या गोष्टी मॅडम कडूनच शिकायला मिळाल्या. इव्हन फॅमिलीमध्ये काही प्रॉब्लेम्स आले, काही अडचणी आल्या, नेहमी मॅडम सोबत डिस्कस केले तर त्याच्यावर काही ना काही सोल्युशन मॅडम द्यायच्या आणि बऱ्याच गोष्टीमध्ये मदतही करायच्या. एवढंच नाही तर मॅडम कडून आपल्याला मला तरी छोट्या छोट्या टिप्स मिळाल्या क्लिनिकसाठी, प्रायव्हेट प्रॅक्टिससाठी. या सगळ्या गोष्टीसाठी मॅडम धन्यवाद. आणि तुमची कमी नेहमीच आम्हाला डिपार्टमेंटला भासत राहील. त्याच्याकरता आम्ही तुम्हाला नेहमी जेव्हा पण हेल्प लागेल तेव्हा नेहमी आम्ही तुम्हाला फोन करूच.
बिलकुल केव्हाही.
आणि वी विश ऑल द हॅपीनेस फॉर यू. थँक्यू.
थँक्यू गौतम.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your words.
Ma'am has elevated the spirit at all levels. Her accessibility to committed colleagues always paved ways for new horizons and dimensions. Here is a small video message from our non-teaching faculty.
हॅलो मॅडम, तुम्ही या डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये 25 वर्षापासून आहात. मी तुम्हाला 14 वर्षापासून ओळखते. तुमचं जे ॲक्टिव्ह नेचर आहे ते मला खूप आवडते आणि हे ॲक्टिव्ह नेचर खरंच सगळ्यांसाठी प्रेरणादायी आहे. तुमच्याकडून शिकण्यासारखं भरपूर आहे आणि तुमच्यातला जो उत्साह आहे प्रत्येक कामामध्ये सहभाग होण्याचा तो खरंच खूप छान आहे. तुम्ही होता तेव्हा सगळे प्रश्न सहज सुटत होते, काम सगळे पटपट होत होते. पण आता तुम्ही सेवानिवृत्त होताय, दुःख तर खूप होते, पण तुम्ही आनंदी राहात या आनंदाने मन खुशही होते. पोस्ट रिटायरमेंटच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.
थँक्यू सिस्टर.
नमस्कार मॅडम.
नमस्कार सिस्टर.
मला पाहत आलेले आहे आणि तुमच्याकडून आम्हाला पदोपदी मार्गदर्शन लाभलेले आहे आणि संक्रांतीच्या वेळेला तो जो उत्साह तुमच्या अंगात असतो तो तुम्ही टिकवून ठेवलेला आहे आणि सगळ्यांना तुमची पदोपदी आम्हाला सणानिमित्त आठवण येईल आणि तुम्हाला पोस्ट रिटायरमेंटच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.
थँक्यू नंदा सिस्टर.
नमस्कार मॅडम.
नमस्कार.
आपण आपल्या संस्थेमध्ये 1995 पासून कार्यरत असून जरी आज आपण निवृत्त होत असाल तरी तुमची शिकवण आणि तुमचा उत्साह आम्हाला पुढे जाण्यासाठी मार्गदर्शक ठरेल व आपण आपल्या डिपार्टमेंटच्या कोणत्याही कार्यक्रमात मग CT कार्यक्रम असो, वर्कशॉप असो या गणपतीचा कोणताही कार्यक्रम असो याच्यात आपण सक्रिय सहभाग करत होता आणि तो आम्हाला आधी तुमचं म्हणजे आठवण येत राहील रिटायरमेंट नंतर पण. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद अंकुश.
नमस्कार. प्रधान मॅडम
नमस्कार.
काही शुभेच्छा सांगत आहे. प्रधान मॅडम आपल्या संस्थेमध्ये 1993 पासून जॉईन झालेलं आहे. त्यांनी कदाचित आतापर्यंत आपल्याला 24 वर्षाची सेवा दिलेली आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्या कॉलेजची पावळा मुली काहीच नव्हती, फक्त OPD म्हणून आपल्या इथं सुरुवात झालेली आहे. 8 लोकांच्या व्यवहारामध्ये आपण आतापर्यंत 3 मजल्यापर्यंत कॉलेज उपस्थित केलं मॅडमनी. आणि काही महिला मंडळीचे कार्यक्रम, गणपती उत्सव, तीळ संक्रांतीचा कार्यक्रम अशा कार्यक्रमात मॅडमनी सहभाग घेऊन चांगल्या रीतीने त्यांनी काम पाडलेले आहे. सेवानिवृत्तीबद्दल हार्दिक मॅडमना शुभेच्छा.
धन्यवाद अशोक.
I request Dr. Avisha Agarwal ma'am to share few words for Pradhan ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am, sir, and everyone
Good morning.
present here. We are all here to bid goodbye to our highly valued teacher, Dr. Manjusha Pradhan ma'am. She has spent years offering the best and the right skills onto the students. She is a great counselor. One profound memory I have of her is when we were all in our first years, anxious and nervous about our PG, Pradhan ma'am comforted us with her loving words. I, being a library in charge, have learned a great deal of things from her. Her impeccable idea of record maintenance, which I have tried to implement in my daily life. Ma'am, no one can erase your professionalism, affectionate gestures, and sweetness to us that are engraved in our hearts. On behalf of everyone present here today, we wish your life is best. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Avisha. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Avisha ma'am. The list of expressing the gratitude continues, and we the PGs have something special too.
अरे
As we all know, retirement is a celebration of old memories and new beginnings. Now I request today's star of occasion, our beloved Dr. Manjusha Pradhan ma'am, to share her experience with all of us.
Thank you, Prajakta. And thank you all for such a fantastic presentation. You people have taken so much efforts, and thanks for making my day special today. This is really a very emotional thing and a very tough part of the program, isn't it? But thank you very much, Pratima, and all for your nice and kind words also. So dear all, या क्षणी ना दोन गोष्टी माझ्या मनामध्ये म्हणजे कसं इमोशनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट म्हणतात ना तशासारखं होत आहे की एक तर म्हणजे सकाळची गडबड, आपलं तडतड, सकाळी उठून पटकन तयार व्हायचं, डब्बा घ्यायचा, कशासाठी तर आपलं बायोमेट्रिकचा टाइम गाठायसाठी. आणि दुसरी गोष्ट आणि दुसरा पार्ट म्हणजे तुम्हा सर्वांची आता रोज रोज भेट होणार नाही. आपण इथे सगळेजण जमल्यावर नुसतं अकॅडमिक डिस्कशन नव्हतं होत, तर घरच्या दारच्या सगळ्याच गोष्टी, कुठे काय चांगलं मिळतं, कुठे नाही मिळत, साड्या, दागिने, ग्रॉसरी, इव्हन आपलं हे बेकरी प्रॉडक्ट्स, कुठे काय मिळतं याचं सगळं जनरल नॉलेज आपल्याला इथं मिळायचं. म्हणजे काय की अकॅडमिक नॉलेज बरोबर तुमचं जनरल नॉलेज सुद्धा इथे वाढायचं. म्हणजेच स्टुडंटचं जसं ओव्हरऑल डेव्हलपमेंट होतं तसं मला वाटतं स्टाफचं बी इथे ओव्हरऑल डेव्हलपमेंट होत राहतं. You all will agree with me, isn't it?
Yes.
So, yeah, and actually saying goodbye is a very difficult thing, but finally that day has come for me, and I got everything from the department. That is respect, love, cooperation, guidance, then inspiration, support from all of you. And because of that, even though I am BDS, a lowest degree in an educational setup, I could have some these articles or the publications, national, international, and even PubMed, paper and poster presentations, and even I got the research grant. Everything because of that only. So thank you very much for your constant support. And so that because of this, all this friendly atmosphere and homely atmosphere, working with you all for so many years, near about 27 years, has been really a joy. I am really going to miss you all. I am really going to miss all the celebrations, academic as well as non-academic, our BC parties, our birthday parties, and ENT samosa also I'm going to miss. So whenever I will come, I will have ENT samosa there. Then, but before going, जाता जाता मला एक गोष्ट सांगावीशी वाटते तुम्हा सगळ्यांना. मे बी असा एक्सपिरियन्स म्हणा की काही, सगळ्यात तुम्ही सगळं करा, डू एव्हरीथिंग, खूप मेहनत घ्या, खूप पैसा कमवा, खूप सक्सेस कमवा, पण त्यामागे जाता जाता स्वतःला विसरून नका. स्वतःसाठी, स्वतःच्या फॅमिलीसाठी तुम्ही थोडासा वेळ काढा आणि लाईफ पण जगा. ती पण गोष्ट महत्वाची आहे, पण स्वतःची हेल्थ व्यवस्थित ठेवून, फॅमिलीची हेल्थ व्यवस्थित ठेवून लाईफ जगणंही तेवढंच महत्वाचं आहे. तर दोन्ही बॅलन्स करायला शिका, एकाच गोष्टीच्या मागे धावू नका. सो thank you so much for making my day special and for making my journey of 27 years memorable and pleasant. I am leaving with utmost satisfaction from here. I will remember you all always with me and wish you all success and the very best, both professionally and academically, and wish you a happy, healthy, prosperous, wealthy, and safe life. Thank you very much. You people have taken so much effort for this, really making my day special. Thank you very much, all of you, Pratima and team, all of you. Thank you very much.
Madam, this is the least we could do. We had planned so many things. But
yeah, that's, I know. I also planned to give, I told you before that I want to give one party, big party, good. But we could not do it because of this. What can be done?
Yes. The most important thing right now, as we have always said, being a family is safety of everyone. So, what we could do, and we are so happy that both your daughters and sir could join in.
Yeah.
And to say
Yeah, that was a great surprise for me, Very great surprise.
nice things actually, and there is so many memories, madam. If you just sit and think, I think everyone will have hundreds of memories. So
Yeah.
I think on behalf of the whole of the department, you'll never be not there for us. We know that, and to all our functions, you will be most welcome, and we will want you to, whenever you are in Nagpur, at least you should attend all the functions so that
Yeah.
you can tell us where we are going wrong, because that you will always have in your life over us. So that's a great thing. Um, Vinay, you want to continue ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for enriching our knowledge and guiding us throughout this year. We will miss you all that you brought to our workplace. It's been great working under you. You will be missed. And congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, once again.
I call upon Dr. Siddhant to deliver the vote of thanks.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event to all the staff members and seniors present here. Firstly, I would like to thank Dr. Shinoy ma'am for guiding us throughout this online farewell program. I would like to thank all the staff members for their presence, active participation, and inspirational thoughts in today's program. I would also like to thank the family members of Pradhan ma'am for their presence today. I would like to thank my seniors and my co-PGs for organizing and setting up this beautiful online farewell for our beloved Pradhan ma'am. Ma'am, you will be truly missed in the department. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Once again, I thank one and all present here. We will end this today's program by dedicating a special heartwarming video for Pradhan ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं। नगमे हैं, शिकवे हैं, किस्से हैं, बातें हैं। बातें भूल जाती हैं, याद आती है। ये यादें किसी दिलों जानम के चले जाने के बाद आती है। यादें यादें यादें।
Thank you, madam, for being with us. And actually, it is such a, what is Destinana? The woman who fed us for all these years, we cannot even offer you a cup of coffee today because of this pandemic. For that, we are really feeling very bad, madam, because
But I will come for that sometime.
yes, yes. We definitely plan to. I am sure the pandemic will be over soon and we'll be together for that a good lunch which we all enjoy and have a nice time together. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all of you.
All of you.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Okay.